This is a well posh restaurant too. I'm not used to posh.
Do you prefer?
I don't know what any of this means.
Hi guys, how we doing?
Hi.
How's the menu looking?
Confusing a bit. No, I'm not used to posh stuff.
Just we're all Northern, that's what it is.
Oh, you know.
Yeah, of course I am.
What's that?
Camembert, it's just a soft cheese.
So it's just cheese as a starter?
It's nice. Can I have rump steak, please?
How are you having it?
Medium, please.
Medium. What yourself, mate?
Pie?
Get yourself a pie.
Pie.
Pie. Proper Northern lad, aren't you? Cheers, guys.
Thanks.
I've noticed for London though, like, it's all posh, isn't it?
London is all posh.
Well expensive as well.
It's a different world to Beverley.
Do you go home much, or...?
I've only been home once since I moved to Leeds.
Are you, like, quite a family person, or...?
Proper family person.
Yeah.
My mum is literally my best friend.
Yeah, I love my mum to pieces, so... A couple of years ago, my mum got diagnosed with Alzheimer's.
Oh, how old is she?
55, so she's really young to have it.
Oh God, that's awful.
Yeah. At first, like, she was only forgetting, like, where you put your keys. Everyone forgets that. But then she had a brain scan, and they said that they could see the brain deteriorating. I look after my mum most of the time. I guess I'm a carer. I make sure she's taking all the tablets.
Yeah.
There's a lot of things that I make sure
It's
she
a
does.
responsibility, isn't it?
Yeah. Like, I've sort of had to take it on. Not many 18-year-old lads look after their mum. Whoever she becomes, even if she forgets me, like, I'm gonna love her, because in there somewhere it still is my mum that brought me up and made me the person I am. It's just made us as a family, like, a lot closer.
It does, doesn't it? You appreciate the small things that you wouldn't have done.
I'd love for whoever I'm with in the future to meet my mum. So then I guess I'll always know, like, deep down, if my mum doesn't make it to my wedding, like, she knows that girl and she knows she's the right one for me.
Oh God, what would you think about me?
I think she'd get on with
Do you think?
She likes anyone that's nice and bubbly. And
Yeah. We'll talk to her.
Yeah, so I reckon she'd love you to bits.
There we go. Oh, God. Almost lost the pie.
As long as it drops on that side, it's fine. What is that?
That's mash.
It's not mash.
It's sweet potato mash.
I can't tell what it is. Is it actually birds?
It's chicken.
Is a chicken a bird? Is it classed as a bird?
Are you being serious?
No, like, is a chicken classed as a bird?
It's got wings.
No, but would you class it as a bird?
Yeah. Like a duck, innit?
Like, what would you go for? What's your type? If you saw me out, would you go for me?
Yeah. Well, I wouldn't go for you.
Would you be fine if I went for you?
No.
But no.
Would I be bothered?
I said, would you be fine?
Oh yeah, I'd be fine with it.
She's blonde. She's from Beverley, but she's really nice, to be fair. So, but I don't know how she feels about it. She's 19, so... All right. I don't want to leave her waiting. Bye. Thank you.
No worries. Tell you what, I'll follow you back. Let me grab your chair for you. Paying you plenty of compliments, yeah?
Yeah. You look stunning, by the way.
Thanks, love.
Here we go, guys. Are you ready for this?
Oh God, that's
This
banging.
is the fondue.
You're so clumsy. Careful. You're dangerous.